Hey there, Rich Weller here. I just wanted to take like 2 minutes and show you this table feature leveraging Copilot within Microsoft Edge. Let's jump over and take a look at the computer here and let me demonstrate this feature. Okay, so now you can see I've got Microsoft Copilot here inside of the Navigator for Edge. Let's give Copilot a prompt here. Let's say, hey Copilot, how many PMPs are there by country? So we'll ask Copilot to answer that question for us and see what it comes back with. Looks like 1.5 million around the world, and we're getting a breakout here by country. So it doesn't look like every country in the world, but it looks like a few there. But let's now take a look at this table feature. So, hey, Copilot, can you put this information into a table? Oh, that's pretty cool. Now you can see this information is in a table format. It's transferring that information across. Again, it's not all countries, but you can see the what was identified there. But you'll notice right here this little icon that says edit in Excel. So if I click on that icon, you'll notice the information is being exported. It's opening up my Excel via the web. Now here's this information in Excel, which I can now, quickly and easily manipulate here with an Excel. Boom, straight away. You got my answer. Let's come back to Copilot though. Let's try a second use case. Look, we're going to put in a new topic here just to refresh things. What I want to do now is let's take a look at this PDF document that I've got right here, showing this is from the PMP exam content outline. You'll notice this little table here within this PDF document, and maybe I would like to have that information into an editable table. So I'm going to take a screenshot of that, and I'm going to drop that into Copilot inside of Microsoft Edge. And I'm going to ask Copilot, can you put this information into a table for me? So now it's reading the information from that image. And it's created another table inside of Copilot. You can see the information there. And again, now I can quickly click on this edit in Excel, and I've got this information over into an editable document that I can now work with. There you go, 2 tricks. Tables inside of Copilot, inside of Microsoft Edge, or leveraging Microsoft Edge. Hope you learned a trick or two. See you on the next one.